A very good evening, dear doctors. Do you know the factors that influence the intensity of the first heart sound? Here is the answer. Number one, the position of the mitral leaflet during the onset of ventricular systole. Number two, the rate of rise of the left ventricular pressure. Number three, the amount of tissue, fluid or air in between the stethoscope and the heart. Number four, the presence or absence of the structural abnormalities in the mitral valve. My dear students, learn more and follow our next video. Welcome to AI MedTech, and this is Dr. Atrial. Stay strategy, stay focused. See you soon.